Subscribe to my channel.
Hey there, basketball fans. Welcome to our NBA trivia show, where we test your knowledge about the greatest league in the world, the NBA. Get ready to learn some amazing facts and challenge your basketball IQ. Let's dive right in. First up, did you know that the NBA was founded on June 6, 1946, as the Basketball Association of America? It wasn't until 1949 that it merged with the National Basketball League to become the NBA we know today. Question time. Which player holds the record for the most points scored in a single NBA game? Is it 1. Michael Jordan, 2. Kobe Bryant, 3. Wilt Chamberlain, 4. LeBron James? If you guessed Wilt Chamberlain, you're correct. Wilt scored an incredible 100 points in a game on March 2, 1962, a record that still stands to this day. Here's another one. The three-point line wasn't always a part of the game. It was introduced in the 1979 to 1980 season. But who was the first player to ever make a three-point shot in the NBA? Was it 1. Larry Bird, 2. Magic Johnson, 3. Chris Ford, 4. Julius Erving? The answer is Chris Ford of the Boston Celtics. He made the first official NBA three-pointer on October 12, 1979. Now, let's talk about dynasties. Which team holds the record for the most consecutive NBA championships? Is it 1. Los Angeles Lakers, 2. Chicago Bulls, 3. San Antonio Spurs, 4. Boston Celtics? That would be the Boston Celtics. They won 8 straight championships from 1959 to 1966, an incredible feat led by the legendary Bill Russell. Alright, last one for today. Who is the all-time leading scorer in NBA history? Is it 1. Karl Malone, 2. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, 3. Michael Jordan, 4. Dirk Nowitzki? It's Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, with an astounding 38,387 points scored during his career. That's it for today's NBA trivia. How did you do? Whether you aced it or learned something new, thanks for joining us. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun trivia and basketball content. See you next time, Hoops fans!
Subscribe to my channel.